Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a complete CapCut grid video edit tutorial. So if you want to create a grid video edit using the CapCut PC, here I'm going to walk you through every step, whether you want to showcase multiple clips or create a before and after comparisons. So first you can just open a new project in CapCut PC and then start adding your clips to the timeline. So I'm going to add three horizontal videos and I'm going to combine it to become a TikTok size video. And next you can just put the videos on top of each other like this. So just drag the videos, so there will be layers, multiple layers like this, and I'm going to just reduce the duration so it will become the same. Now watching it through, just change the ratio. So click on ratio option. Let's say I'm going to upload it to TikTok, so let's go by 9:16. Now just drag the video up, so there will be 3-layer video like this. So this is how it will look like. But if you don't want to have the black screen, you can just zoom in on each clip so that the black screen will be covered like this. And now this is the final result. And so that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.